Best simple technique to strengthen your chi. In Igbo spirituality, chi is your personal divine spirit, the unique spark of divine energy assigned to each person. It serves as both a guide and a reflection of one's potential, directing one towards the life they are designed to live. Strengthening your chi doesn't have to be about following complex rituals or adopting practices that don't resonate with you. Instead, the most effective and sustainable way to empower your chi is simply to live in your purpose and walk in your destiny. What does it mean to live in your purpose? Living in your purpose means aligning your daily actions, thoughts, and choices with what your soul is here to accomplish. Every person has a unique path, akaraka, a specific reason for being. Discovering and accepting this purpose is key to activating your chi. When you honor your destiny, your chi becomes more vibrant, guiding you through challenges, keeping you motivated, and opening doors to opportunities. Your purpose doesn't have to be grand or complicated. It could be as simple as nurturing your family, being a teacher to your community, or bringing beauty into the world through art. It could be big or small. Either way, walking in your purpose aligns you with divine energy and strengthens the connection to your chi. Why living in purpose strengthens your chi? Number 1. Alignment with divine flow. When you live in your purpose, you flow harmoniously with your chi. This alignment brings clarity to your life. It guides you towards the right people, places, and opportunities. It eliminates unnecessary resistance, which is usually responsible for draining energy and creating confusion. Number 2. Increased confidence and energy. Walking in your destiny energizes you. Each step you take in alignment with your true calling feels rewarding. It creates a sense of fulfillment and reduces stress. This inner peace revives your chi, helping you face life's challenges with confidence. There is an Igbo saying, "Onye ya na chi ya so, okwu adaga akpọ ya," meaning trouble does not call on one who walks in alignment with their chi. Number 3. Improved mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Knowing your purpose gives you a reason to wake up each day with joy. It reduces feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, or comparison, helping you focus on your path without distractions. This inner peace is food for your chi, allowing it to shine through your being. How to walk in your purpose daily. Number 1. Reflect on your gifts and passions. Ask yourself, what brings me joy? What do people seek my help for? What comes naturally to me? Your gifts can lead you towards your purpose. Number 2. Take small, purpose-driven actions every day. You don't need to change your life overnight. Start with small, meaningful steps that align with your purpose. If your destiny involves sharing knowledge, read or write a little each day. If it involves caring for others, find ways to serve even in small ways. Number 3. Eliminate distractions and comparisons. Your journey is unique, and comparing your progress to others weakens your chi. Stay focused on your path. Trust that every step is leading you to fulfillment. Number 4. Consult your chi regularly. Strengthen your relationship with your chi by checking in regularly through prayer, meditation, or simple moments of reflection. Give thanks for guidance and listen to your inner voice for direction. The reward of walking in your purpose. Living in your purpose isn't always easy, but it is worth it. As you lean into your destiny and take intentional steps daily, your chi becomes stronger, empowering you to navigate life with peace as your center. The challenges you face will no longer feel like burdens, but lessons guiding you towards greater growth and understanding. When you walk in your purpose, you awaken to the richness of life beyond material pursuits. You align with the essence of who you are meant to be, and in doing so, strengthen your chi to its fullest potential. Your life becomes a reflection of divine energy, allowing you to create impact and meaning not just for yourself, but for your community and the world around you. Final thoughts. The best way to strengthen your chi is to honor your destiny and live with purpose. Don't wait for life to present the perfect moment. Start now. Take small, deliberate steps each day that align with your calling. In this process, your chi will grow stronger, illuminating your path and empowering you to become the highest version of yourself. In your journey, focus on progress instead of perfection. Walk faithfully, accept your purpose, and trust that as you do, your chi will always guide you. Thank you for listening. If this teaching sparked a thought or made you feel something, I'd love to hear it. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it to someone who you think will appreciate it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new releases. You can also check out the full written piece on the website linked in the description below. Until next time, Yagazie.